That circular piece we'll address on Friday. We'll talk about it and you'll see how it matches up. Essentially what this parameter does, B, is it converts time into radians, so that as your object is moving back and forth, or when we start looking at springs up and down, what effectively is going to happen is we're going to take the time that it takes to make one full cycle and turn that into 2 pi radians. That's what this parameter does. And for a pendulum, it's actually really it's a really simple equation. The angular frequency, which is omega, that's our angular speed, is going to be equal to the square root of g divided by the length of the pendulum. And you probably remember that looks similar to the period of a pendulum. The period was 2 pi times the square root of L over g. And the angular frequency, we lose the 2 pi, and it's the inverse. So they are related to each other. They're real easy to convert, but you don't have to memorize this or anything. What's important about this is whatever number you get here is equal to the square root of g over L. And g, we know, it's either 9.8, 10, depending on which version you want to use. And then if we have this being equal to some number, I think mine was like 0.426 or something like that, then basically you can solve for the length of your pendulum. And so that's how it all comes together. The graph that you made in the video analysis tells you stuff about your pendulum. It tells you how far back and forth it was swinging. That's the A parameter. And it tells you indirectly how long the pendulum string was. That's related to this B parameter. So you just solve the equation to find out. And then the C and the D parameters, you don't even have to use those for anything. You could, if you wanted to, you could use those to adjust your zero position and your zero time, but you don't have to. What's important are the A and the B parameters. Right? So that's the big take home from the pendulum piece. Does anybody have any questions about that? Okay. Mr. McKee, do you need something, or are you just hanging?
Well, I'm going to talk to you individually in a moment.
Oh, okay.
About javelin, triple jump, high jump? What
Javelin, high jump.
Javelin, high jump, okay. Going to state there.
Yeah, I know. There's some good stuff going on.
Yes, I'm that guy. I apologize.
Okay, so, all right, well, let's take, so here's what I want to do. I'll check in with Mr. McKee real quick. We'll take